It's slowly coming together. Slowly. Very slowly.
Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. If you're new, subscribe so you won't miss out on any of my uploads. And if you're part of the Oldie But Goodie squad, welcome back squad. This is a monthly vlog with Sherry, and if you would like to see more content like this, then don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below.
Good morning, everyone. I thought I look crazy. I've been up for a few minutes, only got an hour's sleep. I was up all night editing and uploading my video. So now that's live, only got 1 hour sleep. Oh, I have to wake myself up. This is a very busy week. I have so much stuff I have to do this week, let alone today. So, good morning. I hope your day is going well. I'm going to get myself together. And the next time you see me, I should look a little bit better. A little bit better, but I'm going to get myself ready. Good morning, everyone. I told you when I came back I was gonna look a little bit better better than I did when you first saw me. So today's going to be a busy day. This is going to be a busy week. I have a lot of errands I have to run before we leave Thursday. We are going on vacation and I need to make sure everything is done before Thursday. So today, Bo has an appointment with his doggy daycare. I have to drop him off for no later than 10 o'clock. It is 9:19, so I'm waiting on the kids to put their shoes on so we can go and drop him off. I'm pretty sure it's some paperwork I have to fill out. Oh, it tastes really good. I'm pretty sure there's some paperwork I have to fill out, and that's going to take a minute. So we're going to drop him off, and then I have to run a quick errand and then come back home because my daughter has school at another class at 10 o'clock. But I need to hit up a store before we come back. So the next time I see you guys, I will be in a car. Have Bo back. He is so tired. He was there from 10 o'clock until 2, and look at him. First time being, I think, technically with other dogs in general since we picked him up from the pound. We adopted Bo in November. The last time he's been in an environment where he's, I don't want to say caged in, but caged with other dogs was when he was in the pound, which was many moons ago. So I wasn't really sure how he was going to do. Really good. So he is on for Thursday. I will be dropping him off and he will be there from Thursday until Sunday. Right now I'm going to let him rest and I'm going to fold these clothes. Boo.
I still remember when I was really free and all the things I lived.
Usually when I'm ironing clothes, I have to be listening to music or watching something just to keep me motivated and to keep me ironing. If I'm watching something, I'm usually on YouTube, different channels that I follow on YouTube. DIY with KB, she's really good. Team Gravity Family, they're really good. If you want to have a laugh now and then, definitely check them out. I also love Styled by Casanova. Her content is really, really good. Really good. I love watching her videos. I Am Veronica. Her content is great as well. Of course, you know Jackiana. Everybody knows Jackiana. I follow her. Her content is great. Of course, she does dope everything. You guys, these two birds were just fighting. I swear I see the weirdest stuff in my neighborhood every now and then. I'm gonna try to be quiet so they won't run off. Oh, there goes another rabbit. I think that's the rabbit I saw when I was recording. It just ran on by. Ran through my driveway. And it's just chilling. We're on Amia's lunch break. So now I'm going to go run some errands. So it looks like they done. It looks like they've stocked up on some stuff because the last time I came here, this was not here. I've never seen these in this dollar store. This is pretty cool. I think I'm gonna get these. So we're in Goodwill and this is still here. See, this was on the inside, but I like the shape and the texture of this. This is cute too. It had handles on it at one point of time. Later on, almost 11 o'clock, but I wanted to show you guys how my lamps look. These are the lamps that I got from Amazon. Look at that. This is everything that I got earlier today at the Dollar Tree. I got some poster boards, the flexible one. I got six of the flexible and I think 3 of the hard board. some balloons, which I know we probably have some in the closet. I need to look. Some candles, tablecloth, some more microfiber cleaning towels, number 6 balloon, and number 6 candle, and some crayons, coloring books, and some other stuff for the kids. So I'm going to try to make this number 6. Hopefully it comes out perfectly. I'm going to use my glue gun, my new glue gun, which I absolutely love. It is 11:06. So I have 54 minutes to do this. Well, I have all night, but I'm not trying to do this all night. So let's get to crafting.
I went from side to side to tell my travel come alive. Can't wait, the sun is shining, lift the sails and follow my own tide, yeah. There's a screaming in there, not telling me to leave for a while. So for the first time I trusted, right on now I'm gonna ride my own life.
A multitude of spaces.
Okay.
So limited foyer.
I feel like it does not represent
So
it's not a place where I would be
like
like
this.
Downstairs is so like right in the area. And this definitely is
a dark place.
So what else is happening in here? Because this
So this is done.
Place in a bathroom.
That's
A
done.
lot of help.
okay.
Cheers to that.
Single stick.
The dog.
I wanna escape and restart all. I wanna escape and restart all. I wanna escape to.
It's slowly coming together. Slowly. Very slowly.
Away into the wild, I know my head.
So I'm about to blow up the balloons. I'm finally done with the 6. I don't know why it kind of looks like a guitar to me, but it's a 6. I have more balloons up here. Oh my goodness, you guys, I almost just died a few minutes ago. So I have all of this decoration stuff. We're gonna use that. Tissue paper. Trolls. Let's see, I don't know if I have any balloons in here. I feel like I had a lot of balloons.
One bite away. Get it delivered at pq.com.
Y'all, do y'all see how small this 6 is? I got it from the Dollar Tree. I should have known better.
6 hours later.
You like it?
Yeah. It isn't.
Be careful. This I'm tired. Yeah.
A bear.
Yeah, because you cried last time. And there's a
small mirror in there too, so you can put that one in your purse.
Oh.
Ooh. Now you can look inside the purse. The big zipper.
The big zipper. Mommy? Ooh.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Amia. Happy birthday to you.
You're supposed to make a wish first, but that's okay.
How old are you?
6.
How old are you?
6.
That's the end of this vlog. After singing happy birthday, we really didn't do much. I did some cleaning in the lower portion of the house. The next morning was the day of our trip, and I wanted to make sure everything was clean so we can come back to a clean home. I hope you guys enjoyed part 1 of this May vlog. Stay tuned for part 2. I would have combined all the clips to one video, but that would have been a very long video. So make sure you are subscribed and those notification bells are turned on so you will be notified when part 2 becomes available. Don't forget to like this video so I know that you would like to see more content like this, and leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching again, and I'll talk to you in the next one. If you have not already, I have more videos for you to watch, so click on my latest uploads.